Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix one issue in Photoshop. When I'm going to create a new document, it doesn't work. When I click on create, this button doesn't work. So I want to show you the solution in 30 seconds. For solving this issue, just go to Edit and then Preferences, General, and here in General, check this box. Use Legacy New Document Interface. That's all. The problem has been solved. Look at here, New, and okay. I hope it worked for you. Thank you.